Namaste. Welcome to the video tutorial on stability testing of pharmaceuticals and introduction presented by Rajat Vaishnav, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry and Quality Assurance, Bhopal Nobles Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, BN University, Udaipur, Rajasthan. Learning outcome of this video tutorial is, after the presentation, the learner will be able to understand objective of stability testing, discussions, abbreviations, definitions regarding stability testing, worldwide zones and temperatures and humidity conditions, countries belonging to various zones, bracketing and matrixing, recommended labeling statements, reference documents. Objective of stability testing. According to ICH Guidelines 2003, objective of stability testing is to provide evidence on how the quality of the drug substance of drug product varies with time under the influence of various environmental factors like temperature, humidity and light, and enables recommended storage conditions, retesting periods and shelf lives to be established. Necessity of stability testing. Stability testing plays central role in drug development. Stability testing is essential for developing analytical methods. It is also essential for selecting packaging materials for drugs and its formulations. Stability testing is essential for selecting storage conditions of drug and its formulations. Stability testing is essential for understanding physicochemical characteristics of the drug APIs and their formulations. Abbreviations regarding stability testing. DRA, Drug Regulatory Authority. ICH, International Conference of Harmonization. WHO, World Health Organization. API, Approved Pharmaceutical Ingredient. FPP, Finished Pharmaceutical Product. Now the reflection point question arises. What are the different terms and definitions regarding the stability testing? Now pause the presentation for a few minutes and write down some terms and definitions regarding stability testing. Pause the presentation. Next, play the presentation for your answer if you have written the answer. Play the presentation. Definitions regarding stability testing. Shelf life or expiry period. It is a time period during which the drug product is expected to remain within the approved shelf life specifications, provided that it is stored under the conditions provided on the container label. Retest date. Date after which samples of the drug substances should be examined to ensure that the material is still in the compliance with the specifications and thus substances can be used to formulate the drug product. Retest period. It is a time period for retesting of the drug sample. Next definition is shelf life, expiry date. It is a time period during which the drug's product is expected to remain within the approved shelf life specifications, provided that it is stored under the conditions provided on the container label. Retest date. The date after which the samples of the drug substances should be examined to ensure that the material is still in the compliance with specifications and thus the substances can be used to formulate the drug product. Retest period. The time period for the retest of the drug sample. Accelerated testing. The study designed to increase the rate of the physical and chemical degradation of the drug substances or its formulations by using exaggerated storage conditions as part of the formal stability studies. Intermediate testing. Studies conducted at 30 degrees Celsius and 65% relative humidity and designed to moderately increase the rate of physical or chemical degradation of the drug substance or its formulation intended to be stored for the longer time at 25 degrees Celsius. Long-term testing. Stability testing under the recommended storage conditions for retesting period of or the shelf life proposed or approved for labeling. Next definition is stress testing or drug testing. Studies undertaken to elucidate the intrinsic stability of the drug substance is normally carried out under the severe stress conditions than that used for accelerated testing. Stress testing. Studies undertaken to assess the effect of severe conditions of the drug substances. Such studies include photostability testing and specific testing on certain products like metered dose inhalers, creams, emulsions, and refrigerated aqueous liquid products. Container closure system. The sum of packaging components that together contains and protects the dosage form Next definition is formal stability studies. These are long-term and accelerated and intermediate studies undertaken on the primary and or commitment batches according to the prescribed stability protocol to establish or confirm the retest period of the drug substance of the shelf life of the drug product. Commitment batch. Production batches of the drug substance or the drug product for which stability studies are initiated or completed post approval through the commitment made in the registration application. Next definition is impermeable containers. Containers to provide permanent barrier to passage of gases and solvents. For example, sealed aluminum tubes for semi-solids and sealed glass and tubes for solutions. Semi-permeable containers. These are the containers which are not impermeable to usually water while preventing the loss of solutes. For example, LDPE, low density polyethylene pouches for large volume parentals, LVPs, and LDPE ampoules and bottles. Worldwide zones and temperature and humidity conditions. All over the world is divided into 4 zones. Zone 1 moderate, Zone 2 Mediterranean, Zone 3 dry and hot, Zone 4 very hot and moist. They have the different temperature and average yearly percentage relative humidity. Zone 1 temperature is 21 degrees Celsius, humidity is 45% RH. Zone 2 25 degrees Celsius and 60% RH. Zone 3 30 degrees Celsius and 35% RH. Zone 4 30 degrees Celsius and 70% RH. Countries belonging to various zones. All the countries are being differentiated into various regions, containing or having the various zones. Europe region. All countries come under Zone 1 and Zone 2. America region. Argentina, Bolivia, Canada, Mexico, and USA come under Zone 1 and Zone 2. Asia region. America region. And in America region, Brazil, Colombia, Cuba, and Jamaica comes under Zone 3 and Zone 4. Asia region. Afghanistan, China, Iran, Nepal come under Zone 1 and Zone 2. India, Bahrain, Hong Kong, Oman, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and UAE come under Zone 3 and Zone 4. Africa region. Egypt, Algeria, South Africa, and Libya come under Zone 1 and Zone 2. Angola, Benin, Congo, Uganda, Sudan, Somalia, and Senegal come under Zone 3 and Zone 4. Stability testing for APIs. For the active substances not described in an official pharmacopoeial monograph, stability studies are required or essential. For the substances described in an official monograph for which the suitable limits have been set, but the retesting period is not defined, the two options are acceptable. Option number one: the manufacturer of the pharmaceutical product confirms that the active substances complies with the pharmacopoeial monographs immediately prior to the manufacture of pharmaceutical product. In this case, no stability studies on active substances are required. Second option is the manufacturer establishes the retest period based on results on long-term stability testing studies conducted on active substances. Stability testing for finished pharmaceutical products (FPPs). The design of the formal stability studies for the pharmaceutical product should be based on the knowledge of, first, the behavior and property of the active substance; second, from the stability studies of the active substance; third, on the experience gained from pre-formulation studies and investigational pharmaceutical products. Selection of batches. Data from the stability studies should be provided on at least three primary batches of the pharmaceutical product. Second, the primary batches should be of same formulation and packaged in the same container and closure system as proposed for marketing. Third, two of the three batches should be at least the pilot scale batches, and third batch can be smaller if justified. Fourth, whenever possible, the batches of pharmaceutical product should be manufactured by using different batches of active substances. Further study: stability testing of approved pharmaceutical ingredient APIs, stability testing for finished pharmaceutical product FPPS, photostability testing, bracketing and matrixing, recommended labeling statements, reference documents regarding stability studies. Thank you for the patient hearing. Thank you very much.